When you log in for the first time, you will be greeted with a pop-up for the newly integrated DocuShare Drive. This is replacing the aging DocuShare client that is no longer supported for use. Although the system works very similar, there are a few processes to be aware of. Unlike the DocuShare client, there is no need to do a full mapping of your DocuShare collections. When the Xerox DocuShare Drive pop-up opens on your machine, you will simply log in with your DocuShare credentials. DocuShare Drive will then create an actual drive on your machine where you can access, check out, check in, and browse documents in your DocuShare collections. The next step of this video will show you how to find and access this drive. When you see the pop-up that says, "This will activate Search Connector for DocuShare," please press Finish.